The cosmos is shifting, Capricorn. On June 26th, a potent new moon energy arrives, bringing with it a wave of transformation, introspection, and opportunity. But also a warning: stay calm and avoid crowded places tomorrow. Why? Because this new moon demands your focused energy and clarity, and distractions or chaos could disrupt your progress. Let's dive deep into what this celestial event means for you, how to harness its power, and why the simplest act of staying calm could change everything. The new moon is nature's reset button, a powerful moment each month when the moon disappears from view and the skies go dark. It signals the start of a new lunar cycle, a cosmic clean slate. Energetically, it's the best time to pause, reflect, and set intentions for what you want to grow in your life. Think of it as planting seeds, whether for goals, healing, or fresh habits, that will slowly bloom over the coming week. But when this new moon takes place in Capricorn, the energy shifts into serious mode. Capricorn is an earth sign ruled by Saturn, the planet of structure, discipline, and responsibility. This means the vibes aren't dreamy or impulsive. They're focused, strategic, and grounded in reality. Capricorn is all about long-term success, not quick wins. It's the zodiac sign that climbs the mountain step by step, aiming for results that truly last. During a Capricorn new moon, you're being called to think like a builder, laying bricks carefully with intention and purpose. What you begin now can have real staying power, especially in areas like career, finances, health, or self-improvement. Unlike fiery or emotional signs that might rush into something, Capricorn urges you to take your time, think things through, and make wise choices. This is about maturity, patience, and progress. It's the perfect time to ask, what am I working toward? What's worth my time and energy? Where do I need more structure or discipline? You may feel naturally more motivated to plan, organize, or take control of areas in your life that feel unstable. If you've been putting something off, this new moon offers strong support to get serious and commit. The best part, Capricorn energy helps turn intentions into action. So, set your goals clearly, stay calm, and get practical. This new moon is the universe giving you the green light to build something real. This isn't your average new moon. The lunar event on June 26th arrives with a unique cosmic charge, one that astrologers are calling a gateway to inner transformation. What makes this new moon especially powerful is its alignment with Capricorn, a sign known for structure, ambition, and long-term vision. New moons are always about new beginnings, but when paired with Capricorn's steady, no-nonsense energy, the vibe becomes laser-focused. It's not about dreamy wishes, it's about real, actionable change. Whether it's your career, relationships, finances, or personal growth, this moon supports you in making bold, practical moves that stick. Think of it like this: the universe is handing you the blueprint, the tools, and the motivation to rebuild something better. But here's the twist: to tap into that potential, you must stay grounded and clear-headed. That's why staying calm and avoiding crowds on June 26th is so important. Why avoid crowds? Because this new moon is also emotionally intense. It stirs up deep thoughts, hidden fears, and unresolved feelings. The more chaotic your environment, the harder it becomes to process what's coming up. Overstimulation could lead to anxiety, frustration, or confusion. You may feel easily triggered or overstretched, especially if you've been ignoring signs of burnout or emotional fatigue. Capricorn's energy asks you to slow down, simplify, and focus inward. You don't need noise, distractions, or pressure from others. What you need is clarity, and that only comes through stillness, intention, and mindful action. This is your cosmic reset, a chance to drop old baggage, realign with your true priorities, and start fresh with confidence and strategy. The changes you commit to now aren't just about this week. They're laying the groundwork for your next chapter. So take it seriously. Stay grounded. Avoid unnecessary drama or chaos. And trust that stepping back today could move you miles ahead tomorrow. As the Capricorn New Moon rises on June 26th, the message is clear. Stay calm, stay centered, and steer clear of chaos. This lunar moment carries a heavy dose of focused, grounded energy. But that energy can easily get shaken if you're in loud, crowded, or overstimulating environments. Crowds bring unpredictability, loud conversations, conflicting energies, and emotional noise. Under normal circumstances, this might be manageable. But during this new moon, your emotional sensitivity is heightened. Even small disturbances can throw off your inner balance and make you feel scattered, irritable, or anxious. That's why now is the time to honor your space. Staying calm isn't about being passive. It's about being powerful in your presence. When you remain composed, you protect your energy field and create a buffer between yourself and outside pressure. That kind of spiritual boundary is what allows you to go inward and hear what your intuition is trying to say. Capricorn is a sign that thrives on clarity, control, and purpose. To tap into its magic, you need to create a calm container, a quiet space where you can reflect, recharge, and reconnect. That could mean skipping a party, turning off your phone, or just saying no to extra plans for the day. And that's okay. This isn't about isolation, it's about alignment. Think of calmness as a tool, not just to avoid stress, but to unlock the deeper messages this new moon has for you. In the quiet, you'll hear your goals more clearly. In the stillness, your next steps will reveal themselves. So if you're feeling the urge to pull back from the noise, listen to it. Give yourself permission to rest, reflect, and reset. Because the real magic of this new moon won't be found in the chaos. It will be found in your ability to stay still and choose peace. The Capricorn New Moon on June 26th isn't just a reset button. It's a call to realign your life across key areas. Let's break down how this powerful energy can show up in your career, personal growth, and relationships, and how you can make the most of it. 1. Career and ambition. Capricorn is the zodiac's hard worker, and when a new moon lands in this sign, your focus shifts to your professional goals and long-term plans. You may suddenly feel a strong urge to get serious, update your resume, apply for a promotion, or reorganize your daily workflow. But here's the catch: don't rush. Capricorn energy favors steady progress over quick fixes. Use this day to think strategically. Map out where you want to go and take one small, meaningful step toward it. You're laying the foundation for future success. And it's okay if it starts quietly. 2. Personal growth and emotional healing. This new moon also brings a powerful opportunity for inner work. Capricorn tends to carry a heavy emotional load. Stress, pressure, responsibility. It's easy to internalize expectations and forget to check in with yourself. Now's the time to release what's weighing you down, whether it's old guilt, perfectionism, or a sense of never doing enough. Let it go. Emotional clarity comes when you slow down and listen. Journaling, therapy, or simply being honest with yourself can open new space for healing. 3. Relationships and boundaries. Capricorn values respect and structure, even in relationships. Under this new moon, you might notice where you've been giving too much or not speaking up when needed. This is a great time to set healthy boundaries, especially with people who drain your energy or expect too much. Avoid high-drama situations or busy gatherings today. Instead, spend time with those who respect your space and support your growth. Even one clear conversation can reset the tone of a relationship for the better. This new moon isn't loud, it's powerful in its quiet. Across all areas of your life, it's guiding you to restructure, refocus, and rebuild. Trust that small shifts now will lead to lasting change. The new moon in Capricorn on June 26th brings a rare chance to reset your path and build momentum, but only if you move with intention. Here are a few grounded practical tips to help you align with this energy and make the most of the day. 1. Meditate or journal. Start your morning with stillness. Whether it's 5 minutes of deep breathing or writing in your journal, give yourself the space to reflect. Ask, what do I really want to build right now? Setting clear intentions helps you plant seeds that can grow over the coming weeks. 2. Avoid noisy or crowded places. Capricorn energy thrives in calm, focused environments. Crowds can stir anxiety and pull your attention in too many directions. Today's new moon is all about clarity, so step back from overstimulation. Stay home, go for a solo walk, or spend time somewhere peaceful. Your mind will thank you. 3. Focus on long-term goals. This isn't a time for quick wins. Capricorn teaches us that real success is built over time. Use today to sketch out your next steps. What do you want by the end of this year? What habits will get you there? Even writing one goal down today can spark powerful momentum. 4. Rest and recharge. Don't underestimate the power of rest, especially during intense energy shifts. If you've been burning out or pushing too hard, the universe is giving you permission to slow down. Take a nap. Skip unnecessary plans. Give your mind and body the chance to reset. 5. Practice patience. Capricorn reminds us that great things take time. If progress feels slow or you're not seeing immediate results, trust the process. The steps you take today, even if they're small, are laying the foundation for something solid and lasting. This new moon isn't about rushing or proving anything. It's about staying grounded, being intentional, and honoring what really matters to you. By following these simple steps, you align yourself with the powerful energy of growth, clarity, and quiet determination. The Capricorn New Moon on June 26th comes with a powerful message: stay grounded, stay calm. But what if you ignore that message? What happens if you push through the day in chaos, rushing around or immersing yourself in busy, loud environments? The answer is simple and important. You miss the magic. When you don't stay calm, your energy gets scattered. You might feel anxious, irritated, or emotionally drained. Crowded places, loud conversations, or back-to-back plans can throw your nervous system out of balance. Instead of tuning into your inner wisdom, you end up reacting to everything around you. And that's when stress builds fast. This new moon is not chaotic by nature. It's disciplined, structured, and full of opportunity. But Capricorn's gifts only activate when you slow down and make space for them. If you keep your schedule packed or your environment noisy, it becomes much harder to hear your intuition or focus on your goals. And maybe most importantly, you'll find it hard to manifest anything clearly. Capricorn energy is about building something real. But you can't build with shaky hands or a racing mind. You need calm to lay a solid foundation. So think of calmness not as luxury, but as strategy. It's not just about feeling better, it's about functioning better. The more centered you are, the more this new moon can work in your favor, helping you launch new ideas, shift old patterns, and move toward long-term success. Capricorn, the new moon on June 26th, is more than just a lunar event. It's a powerful invitation from the universe to renew, realign, and rebuild your life with intention and strength. This new moon's energy is packed with potential, but it asks one simple thing in return: respect its need for calm and focus. Why is calmness so important? Because Capricorn's energy is grounded, disciplined, and practical. It's about laying a solid foundation, the kind that lasts for years, even decades. But a strong foundation doesn't happen overnight, and it certainly can't be built on stress, confusion, or rushing around. Instead, this new moon wants you to approach your goals with patience, clarity, and steady determination. Avoid crowds, noisy places, and chaotic environments tomorrow. These distractions can pull your energy away from your true priorities, scatter your focus, and amplify anxiety. By protecting your space, you create the perfect container to nurture your vision. When you stay centered, your mind becomes clearer, your intentions sharper, and your motivation stronger. This is your moment to step back, take a deep breath, and realign with what really matters. Whether you're thinking about your career, personal growth, or relationship, this new moon gives you a chance to start fresh. Think of it as hitting the cosmic reset button, a chance to drop old patterns that no longer serve you and embrace a more purposeful path forward. Patience is key. Remember, Capricorn energy is all about long-term success. The small steps you take now, the quiet decisions you make in the background, will build momentum over time. Trust that the universe supports you in this process, even if you don't see instant results. What you're creating today will pay off in meaningful ways tomorrow. If you found this guide helpful and want more insights about astrology, moon phases, and how to navigate your cosmic energies, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our growing community where we break down astrology in simple, practical ways that empower you every day. Don't miss out on weekly updates, horoscopes, rituals, and tips designed to help you align with the universe and live your best life. Thank you for reading. Here's to a calm, focused, and powerful new moon Capricorn. Your time to shine is now.